think it's safe to say that AI is not replacing my job anytime soon, at least in my lifetime. I am in the process of doing some what I like to call TLC calls, which is touch, love, care. Basically, it's just a follow up of the PM and just overall maintenance, upkeep. I'm replacing the keeper assembly. This thing got smashed, as you can tell. It doesn't have the wear pads anymore. Threads, the screw threads broke off in there, so I'm just gonna replace this. I disconnected the cable for the sensor, tighten up that slack, which is terrible. It's supposed to be pushed in all the way with this strain relief. What else? Replacing a few covers, dusting this thing off. Nothing too extensive. However, it is upkeep, and like I said, I don't see a robot doing all these sort of tasks that have a lot of variables in it anytime soon. So it's a great field. Super glad a lot of you guys are watching the videos, and just wanted to show you guys what I was working on today. I forgot to mention that this portable x-ray is getting some new rims. So every time the techs would drive this down the hallway, it would kind of slop over or kind of have a bumpy ride. So this will definitely fix it. Make it look a lot nicer too.